ठीक है, and I will display correct answer, and then dear student, please resubmit this form. Okay, now see, first is what? Email ID, full name. So I will type here full name. Okay, I will write roll number. Please write roll number as per your ID. ठीक है, तो इधर मैं लिख रहा हूँ 352. कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर इज, माय कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर इज 9221052714 92210522. ओके, बाद में नेक्स्ट. यस, इन इलेक्ट्रिक गीजर एंड हीटर्स. Dear student, first question is, in electric geyser and heaters, electrical energy is converted into. Perfect answer is, dear student, anyone?
Heat energy.
Yes, heat energy. Okay. Then second is, heat is the form of energy which flows from higher temperature to, dear student, yes,
Lower temperature.
Perfect answer is lower temperature. Third question is, when mechanical energy and electrical energy is related to heat energy by means of proportionality constant, and this constant is known as, dear student, Joule's constant, because gravitational constant is related to macro particles, large bodies. Young's modulus is, Young's constant is related to any material. We can find out the Young's modulus of steel. You can find out the Young's modulus of rubber. Okay. And Poisson's again related to material, but mechanical energy and or electrical energy, if that energy is converted into heat energy, and that particular proportional constant is referred to as, dear student, Joule's constant, and that is denoted by capital J. Fourth is, the electric power is given by P equal to what? And yes, P is equal to, yes, it is the product of potential difference and current, that is option number 1. Next, 5. The relation between work and, dear student, work measured in what? What is the unit of work? Anyone? Joules or ergs. And power measured in watts, and is given by, dear student, P equal to, is given by P equal to what?
W by T.
Yes, W by T. Okay. Next, 6 is the relation between work W, current I, and time T is given by, dear student, a perfect answer is option number, anyone?
C.
Yes, option number C, that is third option, that is W equal to V, matlab potential difference measured in volts, I is current, and T is time measured in second, that is C. Perfect answer. Thank you so much, you are perfect for your proper response. 7. Work done is directly proportional to the dash, and the perfect answer is heat produced H. That is first option. Understood? Can I proceed for next point? Yes. Next is 8. Mechanical/electrical equivalent of heat J is equal to, dear student, perfect answer is J equal to W by H. That is, yes, which? 4. 9. Theoretical value of J under ideal condition. Yes, anyone?
4.
That is 4186 joule per kilocal. Yes, that is 41. Dear student, perfect answer is 4186. Yes. 10. Experimental formula for J in ideal condition. And, dear student, perfect answer C is J equal to VIT upon MCSC plus MWSW into theta 2 minus theta 1, where V is potential difference, I current to circuit, T time, MC means mass of calorimeter, SC means specific of calorimeter, MW means mass of water, HW is mass of specific heat of water, and theta 2 minus theta 1 is the increase in temperature, and therefore perfect answer is, dear student, A. But question number 11, that experimental formula for with temperature correction with temperature correction, and for temperature correction, if there is word of temperature correction, dear student, you should know that there should be the term of delta theta. Delta theta, that is the, and for this case, dear student, correct option is D. That is this part. Yes, okay. Now, see. 12. Please select correct circuit connection. And for this, dear student, I have already shared one separate diagram for this formula, and the correct answer is option number D. And this is about the J by electrical. Then I will see. Then see spectrometer. Yes. What is the practical applications of thermistor? Anyone? Last one, that is fire alarm, automotive, food handling and processing. Can you tell me any one example of food processing or food handling? Any one appliance? Any one appliance? Hello, student.
Microwave.
Yes, superb. Nice, nice, nice. And thank you so much, dear student. Microwave. Yes. Next, thermistor are off. Yes.
2. 4.
4 types. Dear student, 2 types. कितने टाइप है? 2. कौन सा टाइप है? एनीवन? PTC and NTC.
NTC.
PTC, P for positive temperature coefficient and N for negative temperature coefficient. Thank you so much. Correct answer is 2. Therefore, NTC thermistor, rear and thermistor means thermal resistor, and thermistor whose resistance in case of NTC, that resistance is decreases with increase in temperature. Therefore, perfect answer is first option. Understood this level? Hello,
Yes,
student.
sir.
Similarly, in case of PTC, P for positive temperature coefficient. Thermistor whose resistance is what? Its resistance is what? Yes, dear student, perfect answer is
Increasing with increasing temperature.
yes, increases with increasing temperature. NTC. Yes, NTC thermistor are fabricated from what? Yes.
Semiconductor.
Perfect. Semiconductor. PTC thermistor are fabricated from anyone? Perfect answer is
Conductor.
yes. Perfect answer is conductor. कौन सा आंसर है? Conductor. Okay. The temperature. Hello. Okay. The temperature range of thermistor is smaller as compared to what? Anyone?
RTD.
RTD. Okay. Thermistor can be considered as which type of resistor? Anyone?
Thermal resistor.
Thermal resistor. The thermistor can be regarded as a resistance thermometer whose resistance is dependent on anyone?
Temperature.
Perfect answer. Temperature. Applications of thermistor. Yes. Yes. Last. Spacecraft, automobile engineering industry, medical technology. There are dash characteristics of thermistor. Anyone?
2.
Yes, anyone?
2.
Perfect answer. 2. Dash refers characteristics of thermistors. Yes, student, voltage, current and resistance, temperature. Hello, student. During offline practical, I have already explained about this. There are 2 types of characteristics or parameters of thermistor. One is based on resistance temperature and second one is based on VI. Okay, so perfect answer is VI and resistance temperature. Then resistance temperature coefficient of resistance is denoted by, dear student, yes, denoted
Alpha.
by alpha. Very good. Unit of temperature coefficient of resistance?
Per degree Celsius.
Per degree Celsius. Very good. Nice. Unit of resistance,
Ohm.
ohm. Then unit of temperature, degree Celsius.
Degree Celsius.
Can you convert into exponential curve to linear? Yes,
Yes.
or no? Yes, we can convert. Yes. Dash represent linear line equation. Which equation, dear student? First, y equal to mx plus c, and where m is slope, c is intercept of the line. In y equal to mx plus c, m is slope and c matlab intercept. And c in y equal to mx plus c, c is what? Intercept. And last is here y equal to 2x plus here minus 20, that is c is minus 20. Okay? Next. Yes, what are the required? Anyone?
All of the above.
All of the above. Perfect. Functional parts of spectrometer: collimator, prism table, telescope. What is the purpose of collimator? Which provides parallel beam of light. Prism table consists of two windows, and using telescope we can see band or spectra or any slit of light. Collimator provides dash light, parallel. Use of telescope to study spectra. LC of spectrometer 1 minute. Standard value of angle of prism 60 degree. Prism table consists of
Two
two
windows.
windows. Then press next, and the last point is you can submit. Okay, then you will get one message. See, your response has been recorded. Okay, so I will stop this and I will share recording. Then, dear student, if your score is 99 or less than 99, please resubmit this. Okay, give me 5 minutes. I will convert into this link and I will share. Okay, give me 5 minutes.